What do you think the number one reason for traders failing to make a profit or blowing their accounts might be? You might think, well, I don't understand moving averages properly, or I have the wrong settings on my stochastic, or my trend line is not correctly drawn. Most traders think that the reason for their failure is lack of understanding of the charts or drawing the wrong lines. The truth is, though, that most traders fail for a different reason, and yes, 90% of traders do actually fail. Most traders end up blowing their accounts for one reason only, and that reason is oversizing and the injudicial use of leverage. And it's not because you used a simple moving average instead of an exponential one or the RSI instead of the stochastic. The reason is because you probably oversized your trades. For your very first trade on a particular instrument in a particular direction, never risk more than the amount of money that you have on your account in terms of trade size. That means if you have $10,000 in your account and you want to buy the euro against the US dollar, you should take 0.1 standard lots or one mini lot, $10,000 worth. Don't be tempted to go with, let's say, one full lot, which would mean you're trading at 10 to 1 leverage. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Of course, you can make money 10 times faster if you do that, but you can also lose money 10 times faster. This means that if you get your trade direction wrong and the trade goes against you, it'll be much more difficult for you to get out of that trade, and you'll end up adjusting or moving or removing your stop loss altogether, adding to your losing trade, and so on and so forth. Most likely you've been down that path yourself already, or at least read about it. The second tip is not to place all of your bets in one direction in one market. For example, there's no need to go long on the euro and the pound against the US dollar all at the same time. Pick one of those instruments or currency pairs and make sure that you don't commit more than the money that you have in your account to a single trade. If you follow these two simple tips and rules, you'll prevent yourself from blowing out your account, and you'll give yourself a much better chance at succeeding as a trader. If you find this short content useful, I'd love your subscription and your thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.